Okay, a cat and dog question. A dog and a cat walk in the park along the path marked by the thick line. The dog starts from P at the same time the cat starts from Q. The dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. So when it covers 3 blocks, cat would only walk 1. At what point are they going to meet? So I'm going to give dog the yellow highlighter and the cat will be our blue pointer. So 3 steps, the cat is gonna go 1. 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. The cat is going to go 1 more. 1, 2, 3. The cat is gonna go 1 more. 1, 2, 3. The cat is gonna go 1 more. 1, 2, 3, and the cat is gonna go 1 more. So they'll reach at point E. Awesome.